EPLANT-Piping Advanced tutorial. This presentation shows the preliminary steps required to load piping specifications. The first thing to do to be able to load piping specifications into an EPLANT-Piping project is to understand how to translate the project class definitions to the format required by EPLANT. As an example, we have this A661 class in Excel format. How do we load the pipe material? Or how do we specify the material and other characteristics of the fittings and valves? Let's go now to the database module where we have already opened our project. Given that a plant uses codified information, we have to understand the correspondence between each object and its characteristics as defined in the classes and the corresponding EPLANT codes. Let's start with the component code. If we open the corresponding table, we see that it is sorted by code, but this is not very useful if we are looking for a description. We can easily generate a report of this table, sorted instead by description, using this option. In this first part of the command, we are able to select the report sorting key, composing any of the available table fields in the order they are selected. In our example, we are sorted by the English description. But it could be Spanish, Portuguese or any other available. With Escape, we end the key definition. And now we have to select the report columns. We are to include the component code in the English description only, and end with another Escape. We define the report output file name, and open it being a text file. We see that component codes are now sorted by description, much easier for finding a given component. We can do the same with the material code. We select the English description as the sorting key. And now the columns to be included into the report, the material code, the English description and the specific weight as well. Here we set the output file name. We do the same with the end codes. Sorted by the English description and including the end code. English description, the end code, and end compatibilities. Detailed description of each one of these fields is given in another video of this very section. We open the material code report, sorted by description. For example, a material and its corresponding code. And these are the end codes. Where we can see, as an example, that the plain end is compatible with socket weld, also with SO using plastic and threaded. In the following video, we'll see how to use these codes to translate this very class to the EPLANT format.